Hey, have you ever wondered how to make some delicious black eyed peas? Hey, this recipe is for you. New Year's is around the corner, and let me get you in the game. I'm going to teach you how to make some absolutely delicious black eyed peas that's going to take you into the New Year's with a bang. So without further ado, hey, go ahead and grab your ingredients and meet me at my workstation, and let's get into the game. Now, fam, we're going to start this recipe off with some turkey legs. I got me 2 of them, and we're going into my pot. Now, what I want to do is I want to introduce some chicken broth to this pot right here. Now, I'm going to go with about 8 cups, and I'm going to use a little bit of chicken broth, and then I'm going to go the other half with water. Hey, we're going to be in the game, so we're going to let this come up to temp. Now we're gonna let those smoked turkey necks get a head start. Now what I got is I got me some bacon, and this is some smoked applewood bacon, and I'm just gonna trim these, and we're gonna put this in this pan, and this is gonna make for some absolutely delicious flavor too. Hey, we got our bacon down. Now you can omit bacon if you like, but I'm gonna tell you, everything that you put bacon in, hey, it makes it absolutely better. Hey, once you cook that bacon to your preference, now you can remove this bacon. Now here's the thing, when you cook fresh bacon, you got fresh bacon grease, right? You don't have to go in your stash. So we already got that bacon grease on deck. I ain't got to go in my little stash. Now hopefully that bacon makes it to the end of the recipe. Now I got my veggies going in. I got me some onion, I got me some bell pepper, and then I also got me some celery. We're gonna let that bacon grease do the work. And then on the front of the bottom of the pan, what those onions are gonna do, because of the moisture, is gonna pick up some of that fun, and you can see it right there. It's already doing the trick. So all that flavor that's in the bottom of this pan from that bacon grease, hey, we starting to pick it up with those onions, and it's gonna infuse into those bell peppers and that celery, and make something absolutely delicious, fam. And once we got our trinity where we want it to be, hey, we gonna mince us some garlic, and we gonna get our house smelling absolutely delicious. Now it's already smelling good from those smoked turkey legs and what we're making right now, but when you put that garlic in there, you already know what the fam about to say. Hey, daddy, what you cooking? And I'm saying some absolutely delicious black eyed peas. So we'll let this go for about 30 seconds or so, or until it becomes fragrant, and then we can turn our attention back to our pot. And we got those veggies also delicious smelling, absolutely amazing, where we want them to go, where we want them to be. And we're gonna throw these in that pot. Now the beauty of this pot, what I got right here, what I love is, hey, you can see, you know, the line where you got your cups, right? So these about 2 quarts, so that'll be about 8 cups, right? So if I need to add more liquid, then when it drops below that line, I can add just a little bit more liquid if I like to. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna spice up this pot. Hey, I'm going in with about a teaspoon of my baptizing Cajun seasoning. I'm gonna hit it with about a teaspoon of thyme. Then to give it a little bit more earthy tones, we're gonna go in with about a teaspoon of Creole seasoning. I'm gonna add in me a couple of bay leaves. Actually, I'm gonna do 3 because they're on the smaller side. And then I got my black eyed peas right here. Hey, I soaked these for a couple of hours. And of course you wanna rinse them, make sure you don't have any foreign objects in them. And then fam, I'm gonna tell you, man, we on to an absolutely delicious pot of black eyed peas. Now we're gonna let this simmer until these black eyed peas become nice and tender, and then we're gonna get this nice and creamy. We're gonna be in the game. Hey fam, we've been going for about an hour, and in the background I know you see those cornbread muffins in the back. Hey, you gotta have some cornbread with these black eyed peas. Now what I want to do is I want to take out these turkey legs, and you see that pot right there. Hey, that thing is smelling good, and you can tell by the color. Hey, we in the game. But you see that right there? Hey, those turkey legs are nice and tender. I'm gonna get them off this bone. Now, I didn't add any more water to this pot. And reason being, you know, you want this to thicken up a little bit. And if you really wanted to, hey, you can take some of these and you can mash these up and they be nice and creamy. Hey, but I'm gonna keep these as is. Now, let me show you these turkey legs right here. Now, they hot, but check this out. Hey, they tender. And when they can fall off that bone like that, hey fam, you in the game. And then you know, when that turkey leg fall off the bone like that, hey, your black-eyed peas are about ready to go too. So we'll get these tendons out of these turkey legs like this right here. You just want to remove those. You can remove the skin too, just keep the meat. Now, once you make sure all those tendons are out and you just got your meat, hey, you can shred it if you like. You can leave chunks if you like. Hey, this right here is perfect for me. I still got that bacon that I reserved. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add that in there and I'm gonna hit it with a little bit more of that Cajun seasoning. I'm gonna get everything tossed like so. And then we going back into the pot with that meat. But what I want to show you is you want to make sure that these are nice and fork tender, just like that. Hey, you in the game. Now, as you notice, I didn't use any salt in this recipe. Hey, the smoked turkey, the bacon has enough salt in it that's gonna carry this recipe. And then you got some salt in the Cajun seasoning and then a little bit of salt in that Creole seasoning. So you got enough salt in this recipe. And then what we want to do is we want to go ahead and fish out those bay leaves like so. You don't want nobody crunching down on no bay leaves, no New Year's, right? And we got one more to fish out. There we go, fam. There you have it. You got your nice little pot of black-eyed peas for the new year. Hey, and you in the game. I already told you we in the game, and you already know what I gotta do. I gotta get us a taste test. Hey, Happy New Year's. You see it right there. They thicken up for you. I told you they will. Happy New Year's. Cheers, fam. Man, that right there. Hey, that's absolutely delicious. Go in for another bite of that. And then hit it with a little bit of cornbread. A Happy New Year once again, and we in the game.